Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to today's channel. I've got some exciting news for you today. So today we are finally taking the Civic out to go get repaired. Yes, finally making a move over the Civic EG. We're finally gonna go take it to a panel beater shop and straighten out the front end of the car. And so when we get that back from the panel beaters, we can finally start working on Kenny's car. That's right. We've got everything we need. We've got the front fenders. We've got the front bar that is new, I think. We've got, what else did we get, Kenny? The hood.
Crash bar.
Also got the hood and a new crash bar. So all we have to do now is just go get in the car straightened out at Intense Automotive Panel Repair Shop, I think it was called. So enjoy the journey today, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, so Kenny wants me to record a little video of his last paint job on this car before we sand it back down. I don't know if you guys can see this in camera, but Kenny, this is gonna be the last time the car looks like this paint until we review the next paint color to the audience, bro. Oh no guys, you know what I totally forgot, right? Yeah. So, when you come to the RMS, right, you gotta wait in line for this crap now. Like, oh, that line gets from all the way there, all the way down to the end. Yeah, it's gonna be a long ass wait, bro. Yeah. Fuck. Alright guys, we got our unregistered vehicle permit. Let's go get the car and take it to Intense Automotive Panel Spray Paint. Okay guys, so here's what's going on. We spent the last 40 minutes trying to get Kenny's car jump started and we waited around for like 20 minutes for people to come past. And my car was dead too, so we couldn't really use my car to jump start Kenny's car. So we finally got Kenny's car started and now we're in this situation right here. Oh my god. Alright guys, we've wasted enough time with this. I gave up on trying to start the 86, so we're just gonna do what we have to do with the Civic EG. My car's not probably gonna get jump started to a long time, so we gotta take this car to the shop ASAP. Let's try and get this damn Civic to the panel shop. First drive of the EG, boys, no registration. Just off to the panel beater shop right now. We need to go get the front end pulled out of this car, so we're just heading to Chipping Norton. Hopefully the car doesn't die or else we're gonna need another jump start, and that's gonna be a mission. But let's see what VTEC sounds like there. Hey, he still crosses over. That's that. Guys, we are finally at Intense Panel and Paint. We have to leave the car on, otherwise she's gonna die. Let's go see Ricky, our spray painter. Are you excited, Kenny?
Yes, I am.
Guys, pretty nice looking Supra over here. Shout out to the owner, I don't know whose car this is, but damn, it looks good, bro. Tell me if you guys seen a Supra with a sunroof, bro. What are we looking at, Ricky?
Yeah, okay, you're gonna have to change it. That's better as well.
As you guys can see, it looks pretty fucking messed up over there.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Kenny? It's gonna get fixed, bro, don't worry. Tofu's coming back. Guys, you know how sketchy it was driving the car here? It was so damn fucking loud, bro. I said we're about to get put out by cops. As you guys can see, it looks pretty bad here. Doesn't really quite line up and close. This side over here is also a bit fucked up as well. You wanna go say goodbye to your car before you pick it up next time?
Yes sir, I will.
Alright guys, this is the final goodbye to Tofu. Until the next time we see you again, Tofu. I can't wait to see how straightened this car gets turned out. I mean, look how badly the misalignment is on this. We're gonna leave it with Ricky at Intense Panel and Paint.
I'm gonna say bye to this guy.
Say goodbye to your car, bro.
I'll see you later.
We'll see this very shortly.
Yes.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little short video for you guys on Kenny's updated EG Civic and what's going on. If you guys are interested in the build and you guys want to follow, hit the subscribe button right now. If you like today's video, drop a like for us. And I'll see you guys in the next coming episodes. We out!